Start your day by waking up between 5 and 6 in the morning. First, drink a glass of water to keep your body hydrated. Then, go outside for a while to get some sunlight. Have a high-protein breakfast to kickstart your energy. After that, meditate for 5 to 10 minutes, and if you have time, do a short workout as well. If you like coffee, you can have a cup so that your focus gets boosted and you can dive into your deep, concentrated work. Later, read a book to activate your mind. For lunch, eat food rich in protein and low in carbs. Then go outside again to get some fresh air and sunlight. Talk to your friends or family to strengthen your relationships. Be a little creative too, like do some painting, music, or write something. For dinner, eat food full of protein and some healthy carbs. About an hour before sleeping, take magnesium to relax your body. Stay away from screens so that your exposure to blue light stays low. Think about your day, set goals for tomorrow, and do a bit of breathing exercises. Finally, go to bed between 9 a.m. and 10:30 p.m. so that you can be fully recharged for the next day. This simple but effective routine will change your daily life and help you keep moving forward consistently.